Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we have got an exciting topic perfect for beginners, diving into the underwater world of aquascaping. Today I will explore the magical realm of low-light aquarium plants, showcasing some stunning options that thrive even in minimal light conditions. So let's just right in. Now the first question arises, why choose low-light plants? Okay, see, these plants are perfect for beginners because they require less maintenance and are more forgiving, making your aquarium journey enjoyable and stress-free. Okay, first of all, low-light plants are resilient and can thrive with just ambient light, replicating the conditions of a natural underwater environment. And they are excellent for aquariums placed in areas with low natural light like office, bedrooms or etc. Okay, now we will talk about the best 3 low light aquarium plants that are suitable for beginners. These fantastic low light aquariums plants are not only easy to care of but will elevate the beauty of your tank. Number 1. Java Fern. First up, the ever popular Java Fern. Its unique leaf structure adds a touch of elegance and it's known for its adaptability to low light condition. And next we have the Anubias Nana, my personal favorite. This slow-growing plant is perfect for beginners and adds a lush and green vibe to your tank. And the last one but not least, the Cryptocorin Venti. These versatile plants comes in various colors and sizes, making it a fantastic addition to any aquarium. Okay, here are some bonus tips for you. Now that you have picked your low-light plants, let's ensure they thrive in your aquarium. Here are some essential care tips. Number 1. Keep the lighting consistent but not too intense. Low-light plants prefer a stable environment. Number 2. Use a nutrient-rich substrate to promote healthy root development. Number 3. Prune regularly to maintain the desired shape and prevent overcrowding. And there you have it. Remember, creating beautiful underwater landscape does not have to be complicated. Stick to these low light wonders and you will have a vibrant and stunning aquarium in no time. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more aquarium tips and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy aquascaping. Thank you.